Hi, it's Zach with Heyday Development. Welcome to a brand new experience. Today we're going to be unboxing the Ryobi 40V HP Brushless 20-inch. I had to read that off of a piece of paper because I didn't memorize it. But yeah, that's basically it. Let's just get it open. All right, let's get this open. You just go like this and then it's open. It's a pretty simple thing. It's not that complicated. So upon opening this, I see a bunch of just random stuff thrown into a box, but this is something. This is another thing. A box. This looks like it's the battery. Oh, and the charger for that battery. So that's important. It's a bag. Oh, yes. So I think you gotta do this. Oh yeah, fancy. They call me DJ Fancy Boy. And there's probably instructions that come with this, but anybody who's anybody. Oh, there they are, right on cue. We're not going to need these because we're men and we do what we need to do based on sight. So let's get rid of that. That was not my best idea. I just scattered a bunch of papers across my lawn. These are the consequences of the choices we make. This Ryobi Lawn Mower has 3 settings, hence the 3-in-1. The first setting is the side discharge. Those 2 little devices that I pulled out of the box at the beginning are used to divert lawn clippings out the side of the mower. That first piece clips into the back like you just saw, and then the second one attaches to the side. So your next setting would be to bag it up. If you prefer to bag up your lawn clippings, it's nice to have that option. And then the third and final 3-in-1 setting is to mulch, the mulching setting, which I don't usually use that. I'm not too familiar with it personally, but if that's your thing, you have that option. This comes from underneath. Get under that bad boy. And then it just hooks right in. Go like that, and you're good to go. Let's find out where this battery goes. Alright, so under the hood here, you'll see that there's no engine, or a motor rather. I think we just slip this in like Slippy Boat Pippins. So in here we have the space for the battery and then extra storage, so if you have a second battery you can leave it in here and it's stored in there. It's just convenient, I guess, if you're into that type of thing. So this is what our yard that we inherited currently looks like. It's very patchy, looks like there's multiple types of grass going on. There's some dead spots. So, I mean, it's thick in most spots, so I'm going to give this lawnmower a good test. But before we test it out, I'll adjust the height of the mower using the handle on the wheel. It's pretty slick and easy to do just with one hand. And the power is started from this button located on the handle. You pull down the start bar and press the button for about a second, and it's easy as that. No need to yank at a pull cord. But secretly, I do miss yanking at that pull cord, so feel free to rep out a few dumbbell rows to make up for that lost pump. So the first thing I noticed when starting the Ryobi mower is that it produces a decent amount of sound, which I wasn't really expecting. It truly feels like a gas mower in terms of how much power you feel in your hands, but at the same time it's lighter and easier to maneuver than its combustible counterpart. One cool detail is that it seems to use more power when facing more resistance, aka going through like a thick patch of grass. When idling or going through thin sections, however, it seems to chill out a bit and save some precious battery power. Hold up a second. You see that fence back there? I had to move that back several feet to meet the borough ordinance. It wasn't in line with our house. So I made a video about it. It's highly entertaining. I want you to go watch it, okay? So if you're ever curious on how to, move a privacy fence, then that's the video for you. All right? Let's get back to the program. I'm generally reluctant to cut grass just because I'd rather be working on some renovations on the inside of the house or doing literally anything else. But this mower definitely brings a sense of easiness to the experience, making the process less of a burden on me and my loved ones. Quick shout out to the Ryobi Weed Whacker here, which I used to clean up the edges around the fence. It's a pretty trusty tool. And there's the finished product. My dogs love it, my fiance loves it, I love it, and you're gonna love it too. Stay tuned for the rating and my final thoughts. Okay guys, review time. I'm giving this an 8 out of 10. On a full battery, I was able to mow this entire lawn, and then now I have half a battery left, so I could probably mow this lawn with just one charge. And this yard is like a medium size. I don't know the acreage, square footage. I'm not going to give you that information. It's confidential information. If I give you the square footage of my yard, what other information are you going to want from me? Like my social security number? Enough. I felt like whenever I was going over like a thick patch of grass, like the power kind of ramped up, and it was more power output. But then whenever I was just kind of idling, it was on a low power. So it kind of saves battery that way, which I think is cool. It's a cool little feature. It's very lightweight. It can fit in a lot of tight compartments and spaces. So much lighter than a gas-powered lawnmower, substantially, really. It's honestly substantial. So I'd recommend it for anybody who's out there who wants to mow their lawn and has like an aspiration of lawn mowing in their life. I would definitely pick one up if you're tired of gas prices, if you're tired of filling up a jerry can, filling the thing up. I would highly recommend it. Highly. I mean, come on. If you're just a person out there who has an electric outlet and you could plug in the charger, it's all you need. Boom, right there, you can mow your lawn. That's the only requirement. Have an outlet somewhere in your house. I didn't really run into any issues with it. I mean, there was only one time using it, but I can't foresee anything wrong that could happen, really. I mean, what is it going to break? It's impossible. Okay? There's no oil or gas that needs to be changed in it. It's just really clean. It's a clean machine. I like the look of it. It's sleek. The color scheme is a fly. Getting attacked over here. So anyway, that's it. That's the video. Leave a like if you liked the video. Comment. Leave a comment and let me know if you're going to buy one. Like, are you going to go out and pick one up? And if you do, send a picture of it with the hashtag Benghazi never happened, and send that to me on all my socials. I'm available on anything: Facebook, MySpace. Picture this, Freddy's Corner. Freddy's Corner is like a new app that's coming out. Keep it hush though. Keep it low key. It's not fully released yet, but you can download it. It's like the beta version. Freddy's Corner is a pretty cool website. You can just post pictures and like put a little caption underneath it. This is really a revolutionary concept, and you can follow your friends too. It's very cool. I would recommend getting that downloaded onto your phone ASAP. But anyway, all right, now get the hell out of here. Okay, that's enough. You've heard enough of my ramblings. Why you're still here? Leave. Why haven't you left yet? Okay, see ya. You tell me in the comments, are you a bagger or are you a blower? So, do you blow it out or do you bag it up? Okay, so, hashtag bag it up, okay? If you don't have an outlet in your house, then you're probably living in a teepee, okay? And if you live in a teepee, who are you? I'm jealous because you're off the grid. And then just follow me like in life, just like you're one of my disciples. I like to think of myself as the second coming of the lawn mowing Jesus Christ. You're a silly girl.